Have you ever seen a rainbow after it rains? It's like magic in the sky, but it's not magic, it's science. Today, we'll discover how rainbows are formed and what makes them so colorful. What is a rainbow? A rainbow is a curve of beautiful colors that appears in the sky when sunlight shines through raindrops. It's not a physical object you can touch. It's a special trick of light and water. The science behind a rainbow. When sunlight hits a raindrop, something amazing happens. Refraction. Light enters the raindrop and bends. Reflection. Light bounces off the inside of the drop. Refraction again. As it exits the drop, the light bends again. This process splits the white sunlight into different colors, just like a prism. The colors of the rainbow. You usually see 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Remember, ROYGBIV. These colors are always in the same order because each color bends a little differently. When can you see a rainbow? Rainbows appear when the sun is behind you. There are raindrops in front of you. You usually see them in the early morning or late afternoon after a rain shower. Fun facts. Rainbows are circular, but we usually see only part of the circle from the ground. You can't ever reach the end of a rainbow. It moves as you move. Sometimes, you can see a double rainbow with the colors reversed in the second arc. Quick quiz time. What 3 things happen to light inside a raindrop? Light goes through refraction, reflection, and refraction again. What does ROYGBIV stand for? ROYGBIV is a way to remember the 7 colors of the rainbow in order. R red, O orange, Y yellow, G green, B blue, I indigo, V violet. True or false? You can touch a rainbow. False. A rainbow is not a physical object. It's a trick of light and perspective. So the next time you see a rainbow, remember, it's sunlight and raindrops working together to paint the sky. Science makes nature even more beautiful.